Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Herminio, and today I'll be sharing with you topics on how to make a glossary. So if you're new to this channel, I would like to invite you to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today I'll be sharing this presentation and I'll try to make this quick. So how to make a glossary. So there are a few steps to do it. Number one is identify the key terms. So what will you do? Identify the most important terms and concepts that are relevant to your field or domain. These terms may include technical terms, acronyms, abbreviations, and jargon. Now, what is the reason why we make a glossary? Now, we make a glossary because we want to, we want to find meanings and identify terms relevant to a particular uh, area of study or to a particular field of study or particular domain. So a glossary is like a small dictionary, but it's very specific to a particular domain or subject area or a field of study. So that's number one, identify the key terms. Let's go to the next one. Number two, define the terms. So write a brief and clear definition for each term. The definition should be easy to understand and should explain the meaning and significance of the terms. So after you're done with identifying the key terms, you go into defining the terms. So be brief and be clear in your definition of terms. Take note that the use of the glossary is for a specific discipline, for a specific domain, or for a particular subject area. So no need to be like a dictionary, but as long as it is brief and clear, then you are good with your definition. Number three, organize the glossary. How will you organize it? Of course, in alphabetical order so that readers can easily locate the terms they are looking for. So you can also categorize the terms according to their topics or themes. But of course, do not forget to make it uh, alphabetical in order. Okay, A to Z for for the users to easily find the terms that you are trying to define. Now, number four, include examples. So provide examples or use cases for each term to illustrate how it is used in practice. Because take note that you are trying to define terms in a particular discipline or in a particular subject matter. So use examples because even if your definition is so clear and so concise, but still people who are new to that discipline cannot or can hardly understand what you are trying to define. So an illustration, an example will help best if you do so. The number five, update the glossary. Take note that terms in a particular subject matter or domain or discipline changes as the time goes by. So, the growth of knowledge and information could change the meanings of terms in a particular discipline or particular area. So keep the glossary up to date by reviewing it regularly and adding new terms or updating existing ones as needed. So take note of this. You have to update or add new terms. Next is number six, be consistent. Use consistent formatting. Now in your formatting, be consistent. From A to Z, be consistent. Use a consistent format for each term and its definition throughout the glossary. This will help readers navigate the glossary easily and find the information they need quickly. So take note of this, guys, that the consistent formatting will facilitate a very user-friendly glossary. So it will help readers go through the glossary easily, find information quickly. So aside from arranging it, organizing it alphabetically or by themes, another way to make it user-friendly is use consistent formatting. Now, number seven, provide references. In cases where terms that are very technical, it provide references or links to relevant sources that readers can consult for further information, because there are terms that sometimes a very short definition, concise definition is not enough, even how clear it is, even you have examples, but sometimes it is not enough. And take note that the terms that you're defining is exclusive for a particular discipline or a particular domain. thus it requires references, especially those very technical terms. So the ones that are searching the meanings of a term will go directly to the link that you provided, and give additional information. So again, the use of a glossary is for us to understand terms that are relevant to that field, and if the person that who are using it cannot be satisfied in the use of the glossary, then the point of making a glossary is of no use. Next is review and edit. So finally, review and edit the glossary to ensure that it is accurate, concise, and comprehensive. Get feedbacks from others in your field to ensure that the glossary meets their needs and expectations. So this is number 8. And you have to review, you have to edit the glossary, make it accurate to the field, concise, and comprehensive. Now, when you test it before publishing it, by the way, this is not the last step. There is one last step. So before you published, make sure that you get feedbacks from the users or from the field, and you have to reiterate the makings of your glossary until it gets polished and ready for publication. So the last one is publish. Publish your glossary for others to see and even comment for the future improvement. So take note, you are not always around, that you can hand the glossary that you are trying, that you make, publish it, find venues to publish it. You can have online platforms to publish it, or publish it with your local publishers and print houses. Publish your glossary, save it, leave it in public libraries, school libraries, where it is needed for others to see, even if you're not around. So guys, again, thank you for watching our channel, learning with us. And again, this is Herminio. And if you are new, please like, subscribe, comments, and share this channel for future videos that we will be providing to you. Thank you again, and have a good day, everyone. See you around on our next video.